Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Katie from Gardening for a Jet Ski, and I want to give you an update on my red dwarf banana tree that I originally got in December of 2023, so it's been 2.5 years. This is what it originally looked like when it came in the mail from Everglades Farm. It was well packaged in this pot with saran wrap with two big leaves supported with a bamboo stake, and then I had planted it right next to my tortoise habitat on the north side of the house. I kept it over here for about a year, but it proved to not be doing very well. It wasn't getting enough water. The sprinklers wasn't hitting it very much. So I went ahead and moved it again, and now it's on the south side of my house. It's getting tons of water from the irrigation. Unfortunately, we had a pretty cold winter, and I actually lost the big plant that would have produced bananas this year, and the year before we had Hurricane Milton. So in all this time, I still haven't gotten bananas from it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. It's the best way that you can support me in my dream of getting a Sea-Doo Explorer jet ski. I'll be sure to keep you all posted on how this goes throughout the coming season, and if not this season, it's definitely going to be next season. I'm going to get these red bananas and it's totally going to be worth it. I hear it's a really sweet variety of banana and it's going to be like a dessert style banana, so I'm dreaming of making banana ice cream where I make frozen bananas blended with a coconut cream and a little bit of Nutella, and it is so good.